What's up guys, Rob from ClicksGeek. In today's video I want to walk you through a pest control landing page that's converting at 30% in a Google Ads campaign right now and has been consistently for months. And I'm going to show you proof within the AdWords campaign as soon as we run through this page. So this is the page you're looking at. I've obviously removed all the identifying information from the client. We use this page in a lot of our videos for examples and stuff because this page, everything just works. It's the layout, everything. Now this is a page that has an actual contact form on it. Normally pages that we do are buttons that are pop-up box. You click the button and it pops up, the form pops up, or there's click to call buttons because most of the traffic we're driving is mobile for all of these pages. Mobile converts way higher than desktop in my personal opinion. In most of the campaigns I've worked on and do work on as of right now, we're driving almost all mobile traffic. Now, I'm not talking about call-only campaigns. I'm just saying, we do those too, but we generally do regular search campaigns and just decrease the desktop and tablet bid by 100% and let mobile traffic hit the pages. And that's how we're getting these types of results. So that's an important thing to remember when keeping this in mind. So we run through this page. It's really simple. 3 benefits, logo, your main call to action, phone number. Always make sure your phone numbers are click to call on your mobile versions and stuff like that. Your main headline with your city that your main city that you're targeting, and drop in surrounding areas just so if you get someone outside of that city, they're not going to be like, oh, this guy doesn't help me, and leave your page. Next, we have 3 photos. They must be authentic, not stock photos. We have more benefits. Then we have a big blurb here, probably about 2 paragraphs about the company and what they do. And then we have the pests they can help with. And even if there's 25, 50 pests, list them all. Do double columns if you have to. It's really important because you're gonna cast a wider fishing net when you're doing that with these leads. All right. Below that, we have our final content block. This is usually a paragraph just of anything you want to put here. And next to that, we have images of pests. Usually we do 3 or 4 across the top, 3 or 4 across the bottom. And our form, call to action, click the call number, submit. You can make this a drop-down box or just a text box where they can type in the type of pests they're having a problem with. Or if you want them to give you more information, you can always add more forms. But this form, as it sits, 30% conversion rate, so I'm happy with that. We have more benefits here. Then we have contact info, which is just a small paragraph about the company. And this is really important. It's the insert the address here area. This is where your corporate headquarters, your client, you or your client, whatever, is going to have their address. It's just the trust factor that a lead will see, or a potential lead will see, a visitor will see, and they'll see, okay, this guy, they have a real business. Call to schedule your estimate, the final call to action, click the call number. Areas we serve, very important. List out every single city you serve. Even if there's 100 of them, it doesn't matter. It's really important that you list them. Just for quality score reasons in an AdWords campaign, and also if someone's going to come down here, they're going to want to see their city that they're in on this page. Otherwise, they're going to be like, they might not serve me, and then just X out of the page. Come down here, the only thing this page is missing, which you should definitely add, is a privacy policy. And that's pretty much it. That's the rundown of the page. Now I'm going to show you the campaign that this page is running in, specifically this page. Exactly, actually. This is the page. And here it is. You can see last 30 days, March 29th to April 27th. 30 conversions, so that's 30 inbound phone calls, 149 a call, 30% conversion rate. Now the cost per conversion is a little high for pest control. We usually like to keep it around $60. The issue with this is pest and wildlife, and these need to be separated. The client does not want to separate them, so this is just what you got to live with if you don't want to do it that way. But ideally, these should be 2 different campaigns. You should have your pest control campaign with all of your pest ad groups, like ant removal, bee removal, all that stuff, and then your wildlife stuff should be in its own ad group as well. I'm sorry, its own campaign. That should be broken off. But still not bad. 30% conversion rate, 30 leads. Client's happy, that means we're happy. So 99 clicks, 30 leads. I'm good with that. Like I said, if wildlife was broken off, we'd have a higher click-through rate as well too. But do the best you can with what you got. And especially in the times, it's April, what's today? April 29th is today, actually. So with these times, it's kind of wild with everything going on. But besides that, if you guys have any questions about this landing page style, this campaign, anything like that, drop them in the comment section below this video, and I'll do my best to answer every comment. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. There should be a little red box in the bottom right of the video. Just click that and subscribe. If you are interested in learning more about how we create these high converting landing pages and the styles and the click to calls and all the traffic and stuff we drive to the pages to make them work, then we will drop a link also in the description for our Landing Page Academy course, and you can check that out and see if that's something you might be interested in. Besides that, guys, I think that's it. I will see you in the next video.